Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to make a fall leaf. So since it is a season of fall, we are in October, so I just want to make this fall leaf pattern. For this we need any acrylic yarn, 2 crochet hook which is suitable for this yarn. So let's see how to get started. Let's make a slip knot. So you can check my video on how to make a simple chain where I have explained about making a slip knot. So this is nothing but hold the tail end of the yarn and then yarn over. You have to make it upside down and then yarn over, pull into the loop. So this creates a slip knot. So this is an adjustable knot and it can be removed. Now we have to make 9 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have made 9 chain here. So you have to skip the first chain. This is the first chain, and then insert into the next chain, that is the second chain, and create a single crochet. Single crochet is nothing but yarn over, pull through. We have got 2 loops here, yarn over and pull through. So this forms a single crochet. So we made 1 single crochet and we have to make 7 such single crochet here. Okay. And then this is the 7th single crochet. So now we have got 8 single crochet here. Now we have one more chain space left. So into the last chain space create 3 single crochet. So first single crochet, second single crochet, and then third single crochet. So now we have made 3 single crochet in the last chain space, and in the next space we have to make 1 single crochet. And into the next chain, which is this chain here, make another single crochet. So similarly we have to make 4 more single crochet, 1 in each of the chains. So for now we have made 2 here, then this is 3, and 4, five, 6. So we are done with 6 single crochet on this side. Now make chain 1 and then flip. So this is the back side of the pattern. So once you flip it, you will find you have to leave this first chain and then into the next chain, the second chain from this loop, insert the crochet hook, make a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we have made one single crochet. Similarly, we have to make 6 such single crochet, in total 7 single crochet. So this is one. In the next chain space, in the next chain space we have to make another single crochet. So this is the front loop of the, I will tell you, this is the front loop of the chain and this is the back loop. So we have to insert the crochet hook into the back loop. For every single crochet we have to insert into the back loop, this loop, not here. So this is the front loop, we have to insert into the back loop and create single crochet. So this is applicable from this round onwards. So in this chain we have already made a single crochet. The next chain is here. Insert into the back loop. This is the back loop. Yarn over. We have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through. So we are done with second single crochet. Next is third one, and then again we have to find the back loop. 4, back loop, 5, then 6, and this is the 7th one. So make sure you always insert into the back loop of the chain space. Yarn over, pull through. So now we are done with 7 single crochet. So find the next chain space. So this is the next chain. We are done with this chain, and this is the next chain. This is the next chain space. Insert into this chain and create 3 single crochet. 1 into the same chain, make another single crochet, 2, and 1 more, 3. So now we have made 3 single crochet in this chain, and find the next chain and create 1 single crochet. This is also again at the back loop, not in the front loop. So we have to insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we have made 1, and we have to make 6 more single crochet, 1 in each of the chain space, only at the back loop. So in total 7 needs to be done. 1, 2, 7 single crochet. Make chain 1 and then flip. So if you see here, the pattern has just started to take its shape. So this is the first level of petal. This is the center part, and we have the 2 petals over here, 2 curvy shapes here. So we have made 1 chain and flip the pattern. This is the front side of the pattern. So now we have to repeat the pattern whatever we did in the last round. So after chain 1, starting from chain 2, make 7 single crochet, 1 in each of the chain space, only at the back loop. And then once you are done with 7 single crochet, create 3 single crochet in 1 chain space, and then create 7 single crochet, 1 in each of the chain space. So I'm going to show you one more time this pattern. Four, 5, 6, 7. So once 7 single crochet is done, you can find the next chain space and create 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and then 3. So then you have to make 6 single crochet in each of the space. So again, this has to be done at the back loop of each of the chain. So after this chain space we have made in this chain space there are 3 single crochet. After that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we just completed 7 single crochet here. Then create a chain and then flip, do 7 single crochet, then 3 in one chain space, again 7 single crochet, chain 1, flip, and repeat the pattern. So this is, we have completed here one level here. So I am at the second level, so I have to do one more level and I will show you how the pattern looks. I have completed the other half of this level, the second level. Here I have completed the 2 more levels and I'm gonna make it one more level and see how the leaf looks. Same pattern we have to follow for any number of levels. We'll see how the fifth layer looks. So we are done with 7 single crochet here. Into the next chain, make 1 single crochet and then make 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. So skip the first chain and insert into the second chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through. So this is a slip stitch. So we're going to make slip stitch into the each of the chain space, and I'll meet you at the end of this chains. So now we have completed the slip stitch into all the chain, and we have to insert a single crochet into the same chain space to complete this stem pattern, and then continue to do 7 single crochet, 1 in each of the next chain space, next 7 chain space, and that will complete the leaf pattern. I'll see you at the end of this chain. So here I have completed 7 single crochet, and with that the leaf is also complete. I am stopping at this level. It's up to you how many levels you want to make. If you want to see the leaf a little elongated, you can go for 2 more levels, or I'll just stop it right here. So I'll just create a single stitch and then cut off the yarn. So after cutting it off, you can just sew the ends at the back. You can do it up to 2 to 3 steps, and then you can cut off the remaining yarn. So here I am going to cut off the remaining yarn, and now the leaf pattern is complete. I have made another leaf pattern with a different color, as you can see it here, and there is one more leaf pattern which is little bit broader. I have used a different calculation for that. I hope you like this video. So please share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.